Hello viewers, welcome to Amos online class. I am Amos Kumagbe. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel Amos online class, follow me on TikTok Amos online class, and of course on Facebook Amos online class and Amos Kumagbe. Today we are solving a past question from NECO 2019. NECO 2019, and the question says calculate the number of moles of calcium chloride that can be obtained from 20.0 gram of limestone in the presence of excess hydrochloric acid, which should take calcium to be 40, carbon 12, oxygen 16, and of course chlorine 35.5. We have some possible options A, B, C, D, and of course E. So let's begin the solution right away. But before that, once you have something like this, we need to write a balanced chemical equation. Now from the question, they say limestone, which is calcium trioxocarbonate, is reacting in the presence of excess hydrochloric acid. So from the products from the reactant side, we're going to have limestone reacting in the presence of excess hydrochloric acid, and from the product side you'll see what will be formed. So let's begin the solution right away. So we have limestone reacting in the presence of hydrochloric acid, which is in aqueous form, that we yield calcium chloride aqueous form and water liquid form, and of course carbon dioxide, which is in gaseous state. Now that is the balanced chemical equation. The next thing to do is to find the molar mass of limestone. And how do we find the molar mass of limestone? By adding up the molar masses of calcium and that of carbon and that of oxygen. So let's find the molar mass of limestone. So 40 plus 12, that's 52, plus 40, that's 100. So the molar mass of limestone is 100 gram per mole. Now the next thing is to find the number of moles of limestone. And how do we find the number of moles of limestone? In our previous videos, I had established that number of mole is equal to mass divided by the molar mass. So the mass of limestone from this question is 20.0 gram. We're going to divide it by the molar mass of limestone, which we have seen to be 100 gram per mole. Now 20 divided by 100 is equal to 0.2. So the number of moles of limestone is equal to 0.20 mole. But that is not the final question. The question says we should find the number of moles of calcium chloride that will be produced from 20.0 gram of limestone. Now that is not the final question. Now from our balanced chemical equation, we can see that 1 mole of limestone yielded 1 mole calcium chloride. So 0.20 mole limestone will yield dash mole calcium chloride. So let's relate it mathematically to see. Now let's try to relate it mathematically. One more calcium chlorocarbonate yielded one more calcium chloride. So 0.20 more calcium chlorocarbonate will yield X more calcium chloride. So by simple mathematical relationship, we're going to have X So by simple mathematical relationship, we're going to have 1 times 0.2. So 1 times 0.2 is still equal to 0.20 more. So that is our final answer. Now, from the options, you can see that we have A, which they said is 0.18 more. We have B, they said is 0.20 more. We have C, they said is 1.80 more. And of course, we have D, 5.00 more, and E, 5.55 more. So from the answer we have from our solving and the options, B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer, and that is our final answer. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you. If you're interested in this kind of videos, don't forget to like and share. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, MST Online Class, and of course follow me on TikTok, MST Online Class, and on Facebook, MST Online Class and MST Komagbe. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.